Oh my God, thank God I don't live in California. New California law requires booster seat for kids and teens ages 8 to 16 years old. And if you're asking if that shit is true, yes. California has passed a
That's
new law,
crazy.
Assembly Bill 435, regarding child passenger safety, which indirectly affects booster seat usage for older kids by introducing a mandatory 5-step seatbelt fit test. The law is going to take effect on January 1st of 2027, just in time for that rally race you're going to be on the California roads in. The year after that, they're probably going to want your cars to have roll cages if you have children. If you live in California, let me know what you think about this bullshit and follow for more
Yeah,
updates.
that's most definitely bullshit. Who got time for that, you know? Telling your 15-year-old to make sure you climb into your booster seat and you fasten your belt so we can hit the road. Fuck out of here.